The new Mesh Tex jacket for men and women gives you air superiority, helping the rider seize control of his environmental airspace. The 250 denier polyester mesh outer shell features a lightweight nylon lining and a detachable, fully sleeved water-resistant windliner with phone and patch pockets. CE armor in the shoulders and elbows, covered by dual mesh layers, and a dense EVA foam back pad provide for additional protection. Plenty of storage all over the jacket, adjustable side straps for proper fit, and reflective piping on the back make this a feature-rich, cool mesh jacket that provides a 2-year warranty.